Hey guys, want to sound natural in Chinese? Say this. 你忙吗?你忙吗? Literally, are you busy? But natives use it like, got a minute? Repeat after me. 你忙吗? One more time. 你忙吗? Comment the next phrase.